Welcome everyone. Here you can see one question that is asked in VTU exam. This is the problem based on the azimuth. So same type of problem we already solved in our video lectures. You can check it on your YouTube, and you can see the question is asked for 10 marks. Very easy question. 10 marks easily you can get it from this problem. Almost all same data. Okay, and next another question paper problem. This problem also we have already solved. This one is asked for 6 marks, only 2 steps in this question. This also we have already solved. And another question paper question also you can see here. This question also we have already solved. Here determine the scale of the photograph at an average elevation of 800 meter. So average elevation is given, H average is given, scale average scale you need to find out, F divided by H minus H average. So but scale is not directly given. First you have to calculate capital H and then you can easily find out. This also easy one. This one is also asked for 8 marks question in the exams. If you want to again learn this one, you can check it on my YouTube channel GlobeMake. Okay. So now we will be moving on to the next part of the video lecture. So here one problem is the important one. A line PQ 2000 meter long lying at an elevation of 300 meter measures 6.45 centimeter on a vertical photograph for which focal length is 20 centimeter. Determine relief displacement of the point if the flying height is x meter. The distance from the principal point to the bottom of the image is 5.80 centimeter. Clear, very easy one. You just see, first you write down the given data. So a line PQ 2000 meter long. See 2000 meter, more than 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. This one is a 2 kilometer. Obviously it is not a map distance. Map will be in centimeters. Therefore this first given data is ground distance is equal to 2000 meters. You can see ground distance is equal to PQ is equal to 2000 meters. Next is elevation of 300 meter. Small h is given. Small h is 300 meter here. Okay. Next, measure 6.45 centimeter on a vertical photograph. On a photograph map almost same. 6.45 centimeter. This is map distance. So map distance is equal to 6.45 centimeter. Focal length f is 20 centimeter. That is also given. So determine the relief displacement. That means d you need to find out of the point if the flying height is x. X means flying height is also not given. Therefore you need to find out flying height capital H. The distance from the principal point to the bottom of the image is 5.80 centimeter. In the previous video we have seen top of the image. From principal point to the top of the image R. From principal point to the image, not top, not bottom. He simply asked image. Then also we have taken smaller. But here it particularly asked bottom of the image. Therefore this one is a R naught value. Important one. Remember this one. Okay. So write down R naught is equal to 5.80 centimeter. You need to find out D and H. Okay. So first we will see what is, we know that scale is equal to map distance by ground distance is equal to F divided by H minus H. So map distance is given, substitute. Ground distance is also given, substitute. Focal length is also given, substitute. Important, here it is in centimeter. Map distance is also in centimeter. So substitute everything, you will get H is equal to 6501 meter. Capital H, flying height of the aircraft. Clear? Then relief displacement is given by d is equal to, see here we are not using formula RH by H. Here R is not given. We want to use R naught H by H minus H because R naught is given. So R naught is 5.80 into 10 power minus 2. Small h is 300. Capital H we already got 6501 minus 300. So 2.805 into 10 power minus 3 meter we will get. Usually relief displacement we write in centimeters, 28.05 centimeter. Hope you understand the problem. Very simple one.